Welcome to this brief tutorial on the CoSquare app. Before I go into the tutorial, I want to emphasize that you can access the app from the web or by downloading it on your smartphone. And there is absolutely no difference between the two user interfaces. It is exactly the same. Now, what I'm presenting here is a web-based version of the app, so you can access it by simply visiting app.cosquare.com. Again, that's app.cosquare.com. You could log into the app using this interface by inputting your email and password. If you don't have an account with Cosquare, you simply have to click on Join Cosquare here and provide your email, first name, and last name. You can alternatively quickly log in using your social network. In this case, we support Facebook and Gmail. So for now, I will just go ahead and input my email in here. When I first log on to the app, what I see is the campaigns page. At the top, it lists the campaigns that I'm already following, the ones I'm interested in, and the trending campaigns at the bottom. So at the top left, we have two icons, one on the right side here, which is the search icon. It allows us to quickly search for campaigns of interest. For example, if I'm interested in health, I could just type health, or if I'm interested in sports, hockey, for example, or soccer, I could type that and look for a campaign. At the top here, left corner, there's a menu icon. If I click it, I'll be able to see all the options that are available to me. So the campaigns item, if I click it, it will just basically take me to the campaigns page that we were where we were at seconds ago. If I click on the organizations one, it will take me to the organizations page where I could, look at the organizations that I'm following throughout the year, for example. Those organizations are nonprofit or charitable organizations. Now, the search section here allows me to search quickly campaigns by default, and if I click on this icon at the top right, I could search organizations as well. Notifications will be residing here if when I receive notifications from organizations and campaigns. If I have not read them yet, they will be listed here. I can also take a look at my profile. We gamify the experience. We award points to all actions that the user takes on the app, whether it's donating or sharing the cause on social media. And we make this viral by allowing this user to share causes or his progress so far on his social media network. This is a list here of the amount of points. This is my personal account, so I have about 25,000 points. I am at the advocate level. We do support up to 7 levels, starting with Scout and ending with Altruist. At the bottom, if I scroll down, I'll see my profile, I'll see my address in there. And if I could click on here, I could, of course, update my address. Donation settings. This gives me my donation settings. We do support one-click donation. If I enable this, what this will do is it will not ask me for my credit card next time I donate to a campaign or to an organization. And this is extremely very convenient, and we do have advantage over other platforms because of this. It really instantaneously allow the user to donate very quickly in under 8 seconds. I could also look at my past contributions, both to campaigns and to organizations. This is extremely useful for tax time. Um, and this about section just talks about Cosquare. Now, going back to the campaign section, if I click on a campaign, I could see a few options here. I could follow it, contribute to it, get more information, spread the word on social media. So I'm already following one campaign in particular. When I click follow, it will list it for me as an icon at the top. So I could, from there, let's say if I want to go and get more information about that campaign, so I click on more info, it will show me the campaign. It will show me a video of that campaign. I could click on the video and learn more about this campaign. I could read a brief description, when it started, when it ended, and how much has been raised so far. And I could also click on teams to find out what are the teams that are involved in this campaign. In this case, there's Berlin and Dortmund. So if I click on one of those teams, I'll be able to see the list of the last 10 contributors. So I could, contribute to that campaign. By clicking here, it will ask me, do you want to attribute this to a team member? So basically, do I want to donate this on behalf of someone else or not? So in this case, I'll just say no, for example. It's going to be from me. And I have the option to donate cash or credit card. If I say credit card, and we have here the donation page, which allows up to 3 preset amounts, or the user could just enter the amount in here. I could also add a brief comment, for example. So if I click 50 and then confirm, it will ask me, would you like to cover the processing fee? It will tell me what the fee is. I'll just say yes, for example. And because I enabled the one click donation, it didn't ask me for my credit card. And that's extremely very secure, because what happens is only an encrypted token is exchanged with the WePay server. That's about it. That's the Cosquare app in a nutshell. And I would like to emphasize that it's important that you watch the other two videos, but it will give you a better understanding of the overall platform. See you in the next video.